Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make instant oatmeal. Here are the dumb stinky instructions and the suggestion. It says with hot water, but my dumb ass is going to use milk. I'm also going to be using the microwave, so I gotta make sure it's microwave safe. And obviously I'm not that dumb, so I'm not going to be putting that in the microwave. Can I do this with one hand? Yes. I did it. Just you know, do something like this. You know. Then you get your milk. You pour a little bit of it in it, and then you go a little overboard and then start pouring a lot. Okay, that's a little too much, I think. Wait, maybe. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's beautiful right there. And then you open your thing. You take out your thing. Then you grab your thing. Watch out! Don't want to make a mess now. You put your thing in the thing. You close the thing. You put your thing at 55. So that's 2 5s. And then your thing is gonna be like start or power. Then you press this thing. Press. And then you wait. Oh god, that scared me. After that, you put your thing down, and I mean, if it's too hot for you, you go like this. And, you let, cool it off a little bit, put your thing in it, and then, ooh, that's about right for me. And then you put your spoon in it, and start stirring it up a little bit, so all the content can, stir. You should have done that before, but I'm stupid, my bad, I'm sorry. Your oatmeal is probably ruined now. And then you give it a nice, you just, I think it's too hot, but it's good. And then you dig in. You did good. You deserved it. Good. Next time on Cooking with Jesse, I'm gonna show you how to use this big old black thing.